Hi everyone, hope you're having an awesome day. I just reviewed the other coloring book in this series. I received 3 books. Let me get the other one. And I already reviewed this one. So look for that. I put up before this one. And then this again is not a coloring book. It is a book that gives you information on the images in these 2 coloring books, like how to color it and things like that. So if you want me to do a review of this book, I will just link it in the description. You would need a Google Translator on all of this because it's not written in English, it's Korean. But this is a beautifully thick book. So this will help you be a better illustrator yourself. And so this one is called Girls Time. This is season 2 coloring book at the moment. And so I'm going to start out talking about it a little bit, and then we're going to put it to music. And again, these books are very beautiful. This one gives you some ideas, colored pages. They're beautiful. Beautiful girls. I love that one. And then this lists all the thumbprints of the illustrations. Again, the paper in these books are quite nice. However, I don't know about, they are quite on the thick side. I don't know how markers would work on this paper, but you could experiment. And see, I like these because it doesn't even give you the background. You could actually do that background on this side. And the picture, the undone picture is not as descriptive, I guess, as this one. As you could see, the flowers don't have much to them. You'd have to add your own interpretation, and as the hair as well. So you would have to actually do like the different strands of hair. I think they're really pretty, the pictures. So I just wanted to note that we will be doing our first giveaway. It's going to be open from October 6th, 2024 through November 6th, 2024. In order to be eligible, you need to hit like, subscribe, and make a comment on this video. It's going to be a great giveaway, and it's just our way of saying thank you for having, giving us all your support so we could grow the channel. Right now, it's only open to mainland USA. As we grow the channel, we'll be able to reach out to a bigger audience. So please, subscribe to the channel, hit like and comment so you could be eligible for this nice giveaway. I will be doing a video on it shortly, so stay tuned for that.